What if you could buy an SUV, drive it for a decade, and your biggest repair bill was just a set of new tires? Sounds like a fantasy, right? For most modern cars, it is. But hidden in plain sight on the used market are a select group of SUVs that have earned a reputation for being virtually unbreakable. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cutting through the hype and the flashy ads to bring you the cold, hard facts on 9 SUVs that never break down, the hidden gems you can buy today. Now, let's be crystal clear right from the start. When we say never break down, we're not talking about a magical vehicle that defies the laws of physics and never ever needs a single part replaced. That doesn't exist. What we are talking about are the workhorses. The SUVs engineered with such overbuilt components, such proven simplicity, and such a fanatical focus on reliability that major mechanical failures are exceptionally rare. These are vehicles where the engine, transmission, and core drivetrain are known to easily surpass 200,000, even 300,000 miles with just basic, regular maintenance. We're looking for a pattern of minimal headaches, low cost of ownership, and a design philosophy that prioritizes longevity over having the most gadgets. It's about finding a vehicle you can depend on, a true partner for your daily life and adventures, without the constant anxiety of a looming, wallet-busting repair. This is the foundation for our entire list. So, if you're ready to find a vehicle that puts reliability first, stick around. The first category of hidden gems might include some names you recognize, but the why behind their legendary status is what truly matters. So, who are these paragons of reliability? It should be no surprise that we start in Japan, with a trio of models that have become the default recommendation for anyone seeking a used SUV that simply will not quit. Kicking off our list is the one, the only, the Toyota 4Runner. This is a truck that has perfected the art of built-in obsolescence by having none. While many competitors have shifted to more complex unibody designs and turbocharged engines, the 4Runner has stubbornly stuck with a body-on-frame chassis and a naturally aspirated V6 engine that has been refined over more than a decade. This isn't a lack of innovation, it's a commitment to proven, bulletproof engineering. It's the SUV you buy when your goal is to hand it down to your kids. Next up, we have its slightly more refined but equally resilient sibling, the Lexus GX. Think of the GX as a 4Runner in a tuxedo, but with the same rugged underlying hardware. Sharing its robust platform and reliable powertrain with the global Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, the GX offers a sublime, quiet, and luxurious ride without sacrificing its indestructible core. The 4.6-liter V8 under its hood is arguably one of the smoothest and most durable engines ever put in a luxury SUV. You get the plush leather, the premium sound system, and that legendary Lexus quietness, all backed by a drivetrain that laughs in the face of high mileage. And we simply cannot complete this power trio without mentioning the Honda CR-V. While the 4Runner and GX are rugged legends, the CR-V is the undisputed king of the compact crossover world. Specifically, generations like the third and fourth are masterclasses in efficient, sensible, and incredibly durable engineering. Their K-Series engines are legendary for their longevity, and their overall design prioritizes straightforward mechanics and ease of maintenance. For millions of owners, the CR-V isn't just a car. It's appliance-level transportation that gets the job done, year after year with astonishing consistency. Now I can already see the comments. We get it, Toyotas and Hondas are reliable. But what if I told you some of the best reliability secrets don't come from Japan? Let's talk about the underdogs that have seriously upped their game. From the heart of America, we have the Ford Escape. Now, hold on, I know what you're thinking. Some Escapes have had their issues, but we're talking about a specific gem. The model's equipped with the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine is a workhorse, famously understressed and simple, sharing its DNA with the ultra-reliable Mazda-based engines of the past. Paired with a straightforward 6-speed automatic, it's a combination that avoids the complex turbochargers and problematic transmissions found in other versions, offering rock-solid dependability at a bargain bin price. And speaking of bargains, we have to cross over to South Korea for our next hidden gem, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Specifically, we're looking at the third generation model, produced from around 2013 to 2018. This was the era where Hyundai's quality went from good for the price to genuinely excellent. The 3.3-liter V6 Lambda engine in these models is a smooth, powerful, and incredibly durable unit. Hyundai was fighting for market share, and they did it by building vehicles that were packed with features, but more importantly, engineered to last. You get way more car for your money than a comparable Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander, and you're getting a vehicle that has proven itself to be a dependable long-haul companion. These SUVs are a testament to the fact that you don't always have to pay the Japanese tax for incredible reliability. So we've covered the mainstream champions and the surprising value picks, but what if you want all that legendary reliability wrapped in a premium, luxurious package without the terrifying maintenance bills of a German SUV? That's where our next category, the luxury lifers, comes in. First on this list is a vehicle that is quite possibly the most over-engineered and durable SUV you can buy at any price. The Lexus LX. This is the pinnacle. Think of it as a Toyota Land Cruiser, itself an indestructible icon, but with even more sound deadening and the plushest interior Lexus can muster. The LX is built to a standard, not to a price. Its 5.7-liter V8 engine is known to regularly see 500,000 miles with proper care. Every component, from the transmission to the climate control system, is designed for a 25-year service life. It's a bank vault on wheels that also happens to be incredibly capable off-road. But maybe the massive LX is a bit too much for your needs. If you want something smaller, more nimble, but with the same unkillable DNA, then you need to look at the Acura MDX. Specifically the models from the early to mid-2010s. The J-Series V6 engine in the MDX is a masterpiece of Honda engineering, known for its buttery smooth operation and exceptional longevity. It's paired with a robust transmission and built in one of Honda's highest quality North American plants. You get a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, a comfortable and well-appointed cabin, and the peace of mind that comes from one of the most dependable powertrains ever put in a luxury crossover. It delivers the premium experience you're looking for without the premium anxiety at the repair shop. So we've navigated through 9 of the most dependable SUVs on the planet, from the legendary 4Runner to the ultra-luxurious LX. But with all these fantastic options, how do you make the final choice? The key is to match the vehicle's strengths to your life. If you need true off-road capability and ultimate long-term ruggedness, the 4Runner or LX are your champions. If you're a city dweller who just wants a comfortable, feature-packed, and utterly dependable daily driver, the Santa Fe or CR-V are impossible to beat. And if you crave that luxury badge but demand Toyota-level reliability, the Lexus GX and Acura MDX are your perfect gateways. No matter which one you choose, remember the golden rule. Always, always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. Even the most reliable SUV can be let down by a negligent previous owner. A clean history and thorough maintenance records are just as important as the badge on the grille. Now, you have the knowledge to find a hidden gem that won't let you down. But the research doesn't stop here. If you enjoyed uncovering these reliable SUVs, you need to see our other video. 5 reliable cars mechanics beg you to buy. They're almost free. We dive into the absolute cheapest, most dependable cars on the market that are practically steal at their current prices. The link is right there on screen now, and I promise you, the CTR on that video is through the roof because it's packed with even more unbelievable deals. So go ahead, click it. And if this video helped you, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.